Moving out to the next series called 5000D. So this 5000D is having a better features with a flexible resolution. So till now 2000, 3000 and 4000 are limited with the resolutions like either 8-bit resolution or 12-bit resolution. But coming to this 5000, it has up to 16-bit resolution, that way flexible. So based on your measurement and system output wise, so the Pico hardware itself change the resolutions automatically. So that is a key benefit of 5000 series. So next one is 6000 series, which is a high-end model in real-time oscilloscopes. So it which consists of up to 8-channel analog inputs and up to 16-bit digital inputs, and we have a flexible resolution till 16-bit. So these are the key features of.
Basically, it's an all-in-one of the 2000,
Yeah, exactly.
4000 series. It has every function.
All the functions, all the specifications have been included in 6000 series.